Hello friends, let's quickly learn how you can set up multiple environments in your project. So like suppose you want to set up, so by default in Angular project we have prod environment and we have dev environment. Now like in some case, like if you want to create another environment like QA environment you want to create a staging environment. So how you can achieve that? So for this, yeah, it is just a simple configuration you need to do, configuration changes you need to do. So let me show you like what changes you just need to update. So yeah, for it you need to just like we have under the configuration we have different kind of configuration. We like for production we are using this configuration, and so same with uh, so same with staging, we need to just update. So like just production, we just need to update the staging. In the file replacement, we just need to update the replace the file this environment file to with invite staging file. And after that, what we need to do, we just need to create a file like src environment. So if you see here, this is dev environment, this is prod environment, and this is staging. So here we just need to define the same variables in this also, so that so it will change and update to the staging environment. So now like suppose I want to create a build for staging environment. So how you can achieve that? So means for that you just need to we just need to pass the configuration, like for which configuration we need to create build for, like for which environment. So if you see here, I'm creating build for the staging environment. So here it is creating a build for it, and yeah, just update this Angular JSON. And if I searched here, okay, so now it generates the build for the string environment. And yeah, similarly like that, we can generate the full for different environment like production also. So if you see here, you will find the build here, main.js, polyfill, and runtime. So now I deleted the build because I'm generating a new build. So now I generated the build for the production environment. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you have any doubt or any comment, you can just comment on my video, and I will definitely try to help you out. Yeah, thanks guys.